There's a new curfew for pubs and restaurants closing at 10 p.m. So I guess this will be the whole of the UK right now. It looks like another lockdown is imminent. Boris Johnson has announced new rules which are similar to the first lockdown. So I wonder how this is going to affect the markets. Based on the first time we went into lockdown, the markets were very volatile, and will history be repeating itself again? Welcome back to Investor Prime. If you're new, make sure you subscribe and follow me on all my social, Instagram at Investor Prime. Okay, let's get into today's video. As we're heading into lockdown, based on my research, I picked out 3 stocks I believe will perform well over the next couple of weeks / months. We'll give a good return on them, and I'll also go into detail as to why I picked these stocks, looking at the fundamentals and the technical analysis. Stock number 1 is Barclays. Ticker symbol is BCS. The share price of Barclays has been falling the last couple of days, and there are a number of reasons for this. Reason number 1 is that Apple and Barclays have allegedly dissolved their partnership contract for finance. So the way this works is whenever you take out an Apple product, say an iPad, a MacBook, the finance option, you're not taking out with Apple, you're actually taking the loan out from Barclays. And so this partnership has been allegedly dissolved between Apple and Barclays. Reason number 2 is that leaked documents have arisen which allegedly shows Barclays are heavily involved in illicit movement of funds. So this has a negative implication on it. The reason this is bad is that a lot of investors will be pulling out their money from Barclays, thinking that this would have a negative implication on both the reputation of the bank and the integrity of how they do business. However, I still believe that this is a good time to buy Barclays shares for 2 reasons. Reason number 1 is that the RSI relative strength index value is below 30, which shows that the share price is heavily oversold. And the way the RSI works is that this shows that the price is about to bounce back and start retracing back upwards, climbing. Reason number 2 is that the share price is heading towards a support line, which means there's a lot of demand at this support line. A lot of buyers are waiting to buy at this price. So subsequently, the price should rise once it reaches this price. Another reason is Barclays has had an income of 1.41 billion, which indicates that there's growth in the company despite all the bad news. The second stock to buy would be Telefonica. Ticker symbol is TEF. So again, the share price of this stock has been falling the last couple of days and is currently at the price, as you can see, indicated by the arrow. One of the reasons I'll be looking to buy this stock, or I believe it's a good buy at this point, is US-based funds KKR have allegedly secured support from the company's board of directors and the owners in a bid worth $3 billion. So another reason is the RSI for this stock is under 30, which implies that the stock share price is oversold, which means the share price is bound to reverse and start climbing back up. And the last reason for this is that they've issued a positive dividends and paid out 12.36%, which implies that the company is healthy. The third stock is Nokia, ticker symbol NOK. Again, the share price of this stock has been falling the last couple of days, and the RSI is below 30, which indicates a good buy time for the stock. And the overall year-to-date income is $736 million, which indicates been having a good year and been making a profit. So the overall performance year-to-date is 6.74%, which indicates that it's been making a profit all year. Overall performance has been good, so it'll be a good time to buy. Another reason is the year-to-date performance, overall performance is 6.74%, which means that it's been performing really well up until now, so it's a good time to buy. Lastly, the income for this company is 739 million, which indicates that it's been making profit all year. Alright, so That's it in a nutshell for the 3 stocks that I'm looking to buy, and the reason why I believe they're good buys. And it's a good time to get into the stocks because they're under $10, so it's fairly cheap. You can buy a lot of shares, and when they rise, you'll get good returns on them. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, like, comment, and also subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.